How y'all doing? Listen, I've got a little project that I'm going to do today. I'm going to try to glue this back on my candle holder. We actually use these dryer chairs to hold our drinks whenever we've got people under the dryer. So what I'm going to do is in order to get the glue, sometimes takes a little bit longer to dry. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the glue on, which I got some E6000, I'm not sponsored. You know, it takes a little bit to dry. So I'm going to take a little bit of that E6000, run it around inside my little coaster tray here. Okay. And we're going to take that hot glue and we're going to put it right around the edge. Need another piece of hot glue. And we're going to take that hot glue and we're going to put it right around that edge right there to help hold this in place until our glue sets. So what's going to happen here right now is it's going to seem like it's held in real good, although we know it's not super glued in yet, or E6000, but you can see it's in there and it's going to hold up like that until the regular glue sets up. So this way, this thing will be in here really good. But anyways, I hope this kind of helps anybody. And you can do this with anything. You know, if you're trying to glue something and you need to get it to set and you don't want to sit there and hold it, you can put a little bit of hot glue on it along with your regular glue and push it down there, and the hot glue will go ahead and adhere almost immediately, and then you can leave it and let the glue set up. I hope this helps, and y'all have a blessed day. Bye.